delicious! Did you know that colors also have temperature? They can be warm or mainit, and they can also be cool or malamig. In this video, we'll learn how to combine and mix warm and cool colors through a landscape painting. Take a look at this video. What colors do you see? How do you feel? You feel warm or hot just like when you see fire, the sun, or taste hot chili. These are called warm colors or mainit na kulay. Sometimes these colors are used to show strong emotions just like love, anger, and happiness. What about in this video? What colors do you see? How do you feel? Is it cold? Malamig, di ba? So these colors are what we call the cool colors, just like ice, water, snow, even nature. We use blue and purple to color the night sky. That's why sometimes we associate these colors to sadness or malungkot na kulay. These are also the colors to show calm and peace or kapayapaan. Now we'll draw our landscape painting. So what is a landscape? Ano ang landscape? It is a drawing or a photo of a piece of land. Usually depicts nature. Landscape has a foreground, middle ground, and background. The foreground is the closest to the viewer, while the background is the farthest. For this activity, we'll try to paint a scene in the province. We'll try to draw an ifugao hut that can be found in the Banawe rice terraces. We will be using the oil pastel resist technique. The oil pastel will help contain the paint inside the shape. This is ideal for kids and for beginners. Let's start with a straight line in the middle and draw a circle. Half side will be the sun, half will be the moon. I'll draw a triangle for the roof, zigzag lines to add texture to the nipa hut, lines for the walls, a door. Then usually these houses are on stilts, so we'll try to add a ladder. Then for the foreground, we can add some rocks and texture. Then for the rice terraces, I'll draw a curved line, straight line, and another curved line, and then repeat this pattern to create a rhythm. Okay, do it also in the other side. This is also called a symmetrical balance because what's on the right side can also be found on the left side. Isa itong uri ng symmetrical balance kasi kung ano yung meron sa kanan, makikita din sa kaliwa. Makikita din ang ritmo nito dahil sa paulit-ulit na linya at hugis. We can add some mountains like this. Then add the rays of the sun. We can also add clouds. Then, once you're okay with this, we can start painting. Pwede na tayo magsimula magpinta. Para dito ang gagamitin ko lang ay 3 kulay. Dilaw, pula, at blue. I will only use 3 colors, yellow, red, and blue. These are the primary colors. If I want orange, I'll mix yellow. Start with the light color first and then add red. If you want to make it more darker, add more red. Dagdagan lang ng pula. Make sure to wash your brush on the dirty water first and then in the clean water so that your paintbrush won't get dirty. If I want to make brown, I'll mix orange and a little bit of blue. For the foreground, I want to make it red. Usually, foregrounds are very vibrant. Dapat matingkad ang foreground or yung pinakaharap na object nyo. As you go farther, it can fade. Habang lumalayo, pwede itong maging mas maputla. I will try to make some violet by mixing some red. And then wash, and then get some blue. Yan, to create violet. Violet is like the color of eggplant. Mas darker siya. It's darker. You can also add blue, red to create purple. Now, I'm gonna make some green by mixing blue and yellow. Okay. But sometimes I change my mind. I wanted to make these terraces more green, so I erase it with some tissue. And I'll add some purple for the clouds. And for the moon, I'll use some cotton buds or Q-tips to create the craters. Let's make the sky a bit more darker by adding more blue. And you can also add some salt to add texture. You can outline the house with darker lines so that it will stand out more or to give emphasis. There! Now we're done! Make sure to paint all corners and try not to leave white spaces. Gawin yung makakaya nyo na punuin ito ng kulay para maganda tignan.